We got the ZL1 Camero. LT4 supercharged. Very nice. Looks like the last owner put in the Transformers carbon fiber. Oh man. All this is really nice. Got the ambient lighting. Oh my god. This is just nice. 100 gauges. Automatic Recaro seats. Back seat. I wish I could wrap this up, but okay, you got the sport, small snow track. AC, little lights. Yeah, this is nice. This is what I'd want. The only thing is that, you know, you still got those blind spots. If you get that little tiny circle mirror on that mirror, you know what I mean? You'll be able to see him. Maybe make sure you keep this on. But, you know, you gotta be aware of your blind spots. You got your center console. Don't think you're emptying your pockets here. You got the 2 HDMI, the USB ports. I mean, this carbon fiber setup is cut so well. It's cut so well. I don't know how anybody is able to even find these little pieces that fit so well. I'm always wary of them because, you know, you're wasting your money if it don't stick. But yeah, man, this is Alcantara steering wheel. This is nice, very nice. I approve. AC vents. Got the Bose sound system.
Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.